Alright guys, today we're featuring a 2015 Jeep Patriot Sport. It's got 61,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax. It's a one owner. Alright, it's billet silver, metallic in color. And I'll go ahead and give you the walk around of the vehicle. We'll go ahead and start down the driver's side. Alright, everything's in really good shape coming down the driver's side of the vehicle. Alright, we'll go ahead and cross the back here. Everything looks to be in really good shape. Okay. One little small minor scratch here and here on the back bumper, real small, can hardly see it. Just want to point it out to you. All right, passenger side looks really good. Okay. Everything on the hood and the front looks good. We just noticed a few little chips of paint right here, maybe where rocks jumped up here and got it. Really small, okay, hardly noticeable. That actually is for the bracket. This one here and here and here and here is for a bracket. Alright, but I'm a little rock chip there and there. Okay, but overall everything's in really good shape. 2015, 61,000 miles on it. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, it is equipped with power locks, alright, power windows, black cloth. Got this nice little stitching insert right here that's really cool. Alright, the cloth's in really good shape. Driver's side's in good shape. Passenger seat looks really good as well. Okay, it is a two-wheel drive, automatic transmission. Alright, it is equipped with a single disc CD MP3 player. Okay, we've had the air conditioner running now for 15 minutes. Everything's blowing really cold here. Alright, it does have cruise control. Go ahead and give you a shot of the mileage. It's got 61,802 miles. Okay, go ahead and turn it off. I'll go ahead and slip out here and jump in the back seat for you. Let you check that out. Go ahead and take the key out. There we go. All right, we'll go ahead and check out the back seat. All right, same back here. Really nice little pattern here, insert. Okay, cloth's in great shape. No problems with the cloth. Everything's looking good. Okay, convenient cup holders back here. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the layout of the front. Everything's laid out really nicely. All right, I'm gonna pan out here. I'm gonna hop out, walk around to the lift gate back here. As you can see, that comes up nice. Okay, carpet back here is in great shape. Kind of get to the side here so you can see the depth in there, see your storage. All right, everything back here looks really good. All right. There's a little bit of scratching right here on the door panel, the back seat. They're not deep scratches, just more like scuffs. As you can see that. Okay, not a big deal. Back seats on this side are in great shape. Hop over here to the front, passenger seat. Right. As you can see, everything over here is in good shape as well. Right up the back of the seat there. Get you a little layout of the dash from the passenger side. Okay. Door panel's in good shape. Yeah. Let's go ahead and walk around and look at the wheels and tires. Let's see what we got here. We got 16-inch. Like steel wheels, okay, Goodyear tires, brand new set. You can still see the lines on there. Okay, see the depth of the tread. It looks really good there. All right, just to recap, it's a 2015 Jeep Patriot Sport. It's got 61,000 miles on it, clean Carfax. It's a one owner. All right, this thing's in great shape. It's been well taken care of. Come down, take a test drive. And thanks for watching the video.